Still blesses all my brothers and sisters. Around the globe we are entering into the solstice portal, which is a powerful opening for transformation. In all ancient cultures, solstices and eclipses were understood as a powerful getaways to the new levels of consciousness. Temples were constructed and ceremonies were performed to step this energy all over the world. The solstice energy can be felt 4 days beginning at solstice. My advice is to get present to what you truly love and align with your intentions. In North America, it is the longest day of the year, and in South America is the shortest day of the year. The solstice occurs when the sun stands still between light and the dark. During the solstice, the earth tilts to the maximum or minimum directional axis and then comes to a still point when it turns the other direction. This transition directly affects our bodies, our energy, and our lives. The change in the amount of sunlight of both the summer and winter solstice affects the third eye, stimulating it with hyperactivity during these 4 days. The hyperactive state produces psychoactive chemicals in the brain, creating an elevated state of consciousness. Our pineal gland, behind our third eye, connects us with our intuition, spirit, and supports our health and well-being. These higher frequencies are activated the most profoundly during the solstices. This means if we bring ourselves into more awareness and to more meditative states after the solstice, we can expand into positive frequencies that are anchoring into the consciousness of humanity at this time of great change. The solstice is always a great time to honor change. Allow the coming days to have a space to get present and let go of the past and direct yourself, your intentions for what you are creating. Allow some sacred space and time in nature, in meditation, of a simple ritual. Whatever your attention is, it will magnify it in this time. Bring yourself in your center and stay awake to where you are putting your energy. Align with your Mother Earth, and it's always the best way to proceed. We are living in the time of the great ancient prophecy called in the Peruvian tradition the Pachacuti, the Quechuan Peruvian tradition. This translates as the return of time of change, and it signifies the reversal of the world and an overturning of the space-time continuum for planetary change. It is a time to tap into ourselves and remember who we are as connected with the Mother Earth. Hold the intention for positive direction for the Earth, humanity, and may you enjoy the new light the days ahead. I will be organizing an awakening breathing next week on an online event. I will post more information about it. Many blessings.